killed your mother. You hear me? You killed her. And now you're killing me.
I'm gonna die, aren't I? I can't take it. Derek wasn't your fault.
Every time I try to fight back, it just gets worse. People keep getting hurt. People keep getting killed. Sky, listen to me, okay? This isn't you. All right, this is someone inside your head telling you to do this. Okay, now, what if it is just me? What if doing this is actually the best thing that I could do for everyone else?
This is the part I never understood. Listen.
Please don't hurt her. Ariel.
No. No, Dad. No, Dad. If this is some kind of sick training session, you better tell me. You better tell me.
No. Sorry. I'm sorry.
What happened? What happened to us?
I'd really like to see this place spotless.